This Westlake home already had the patio space, but between the bugs and harsh sun glare, it wasn't as comfortable as it could be. So Camacho Blinds installed 8 motorized patio screen units across the upstairs and downstairs areas, using Nano 70 screen to block bugs, cut 70% of the glare, and still let the homeowner enjoy the view.
When you first look at a patio like this, what are you paying attention to?
Well, when I first look at a patio, what I'm paying attention to as far as installation is to make sure that things are level, make sure that we could actually do what the client requests, which is install the zipper screens behind the rail, which in this case we're going to do it. We've done it before, so we know exactly what to do. I also look for safety. It's a balcony, so we look for safety, for our guys to be safe up here and do the work, you know, professionally, but also safe. That's why it's so important to call professionals. Overall, you know, just look for not only safety, but also customer satisfaction and doing the best possible job for every client.
¿Qué está haciendo Orlando? Orlando arriba. Eso para arriba.
This is what it takes to do this right, to do these patios. This is what it takes to see all our equipment set up. It takes time. You have to set up properly to do this correctly. You know, then you'll be doing 50 million trips to the van. So you do it once, you do it like, you know.
What makes a patio a good candidate for motorized screens?
Well, patios, this is a lifestyle, right? So a motorized screen is really a lifestyle. If you're really gonna use your patio, if you want something that's out of your way, if you want full view without obstructed views of anything, then a patio's for you, you know? Patio screens, you can do a combination too. It's a great question because you can do a combination. Sometimes on the sides, I often tell clients, I often advise to do a stationary screen because with a door, because they're able to go in and out quickly, and then have the screen that has their view to be the motorized screen. So there's a combination. So you really have to ask yourself, what lifestyle do I do? How would I benefit from this? And then we'll come in and help you decide.
Unidad. So everybody up around to Frac Selector. What we're ready to do now, once again, is we're going to run the feed to the lanai outside, which is going to feed the electric curtains. We have a dedicated circuit already pulled. So now we're going to continue this loop onto the 2 openings that we have to prepare for a switch combination. Hardest part is getting somebody up and over, and Racy's an expert at this by now. So he'll be taking pictures of it later on when we finish this little conversation. He'll put it together for you so you can see exactly what's involved in something like this. It's quite interesting.
So we got a new tool I wanted to show you guys. We're going to show you in a little bit.
This tool right here,
It's excellent because it's going to cut it's going to punch our angles, and it's going to punch our housing without creating any of that metal shavings. We got a pull here, so we don't want metal shavings. So we eliminated it with this machine. So buying the right tool, you guys will see now. I'm going to show the guys how it works. As far as for that. Right now, we're being very cautious because we want all the holes to line up. So very important. Show them this right now. So you got the already cut by the manufacturer. You see these slots? They're already cut. So we got to make sure that all these go together. So it looks. So when we're done, it looks good. So when we're done, it looks good. When we're done, everything matches. All the screws are where they have to be. We care about precision. We care about how the product looks. We care about how it works because we care about quality. two slots you see up here are for the housing. So we catch the housings first, we level, and then we put up the housing. So we level the housing as we're putting it up with the screws. Very important. This is the rubber part. It's just like a garage rubber. And what's nice about this is in a couple years, you could order a new one and you can replace it. You can get this replaced. So it's nice. You see, it's a rubber in the bottom. Very nice seal. No, pero y le dije, alguien estaba como veo Duya Motors. This is a 50 Newton meter electric Duya motor. I've been working with Duya now for a while. They're really good. You do the channels. It's got up to 15 channels. And what's nice about this, when it's 0-0, that means they're all working together, so you can do up to 15 shades. Also, I could delete, so here we're working 4, so I could, at the end, I'm gonna delete to 4 channels only. So that way, the client doesn't get confused, 15 channels. But Duya Motors, very, very good quality, and they have a great warranty behind it. Here we are, guys. Westlake again. Camacho Blinds in another installation. We're actually doing 8 units this time. So we did the first 4, and then tomorrow I'm going to show you the other 4 downstairs. You're also going to see a shot from far. Give us a call. This is actually a combo deal. We did this client's home inside several years ago, and now we're back doing his patio shade. So we're able to still honor combo deals. Just give us a call. We're here for you. This is another installation in Westlake. These are zipper screens with the heavy-duty bottom rail, heavy-duty side guides, the HD side guides, self-aligning SA side guides, with the nice hood on top. We got the electrical, no tubing showing, all in the electrical, and we got you. We can do all types of installations for interior, for exterior. We do all types of blinds. This is just one of our zipper patio shade blinds. I am Felipe Camacho, the owner of Camacho Blinds. Hey everyone, here in Westlake again. This is the installation of the 8 units we just did here in Westlake. This is something you would like. Camacho Blinds, we can do it for you. Just give us a call. Our estimates are free. We'll explain to you the whole process. This was a 2-day installation. So we did, there's another unit on this side, there's another unit, so we basically did 8 units. So we did the bottom, the top. They work individually, you could work them together, however you like. Give us a call. Camacho Blinds, Duya Motor, Sun Pro. Let's go.